Hi everyone, this is Neha. So in this video, we are going to see and practice how to actually practice properly Gomukhasana with all the techniques and your breathing work. So first, the name as it says, Gomukhasana means cow facing posture, and let us look at the benefits of it. So physical benefits and emotional benefits too. Physical benefits, when you practice this regularly, you can see if you have any kind of a mild back pain, it will reduce that. It works wonderful on your frozen shoulder if you have, also releases the stress in your shoulder. When you practice this posture regularly every day for like 30 to 40 seconds, you can see a great difference in your stress and anxiety if you have. So I will strongly recommend people who have stress and anxiety, definitely you should try this every day and you can stay up to 1 minute. And before we start the video, I just want you to put a comment saying that Yoga for Cure, grow more. It will really boost my energy to make more videos. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. And let's start. First, be comfortable and sit on the ground. Keep your both the legs straight, toe pointing out, and make sure that your spine has to be in a straight line. Try not to round your shoulder and like try to be a little bit cozy. Sit with the spine straight. Okay, take one deep breath in and a deep breath out. So once you feel relaxed, that you're settled down on the floor on your posture, you can bend your both the knees slightly. So you're creating a space to get into the posture. Now, get your right leg under the hip, okay, and here you have to be little more in a straighter and lifted up. So if you sit here and you really can't get into the posture the way it should be, so try to create a space in the lower body by lifting your spine up, by moving your hip joints a little, okay. And once you get your right knee bent in front of your face, okay, cross and keep the other leg over the right, and from here adjust and try to be in a space where your both the knee are placed on top of each other. Now imagine you're a beginner and you don't have enough flexibility, and if you're not able to do this and if you're not able to come to right position, remember it is not about practicing it right, it's about practicing based on your body capacity. So there is nothing right, nothing wrong. Do how much ever you can and just try to balance with whatever capacity you have, okay. So today I can do only so much, and there are people who can do better than me, and there are people who might not be able to do this. So it is fine. So it's all about your practice which you have to focus on. Now, once you are here, you're both the foot, both the toe pointing outside, and you're going to have a spine straight. And what do you do with your hands? First, when your left leg is in the front, your left hand is going to go up. If your right leg is in the front, your right hand will go up. So now, as my left leg is in front, I'm going to lift my left hand up straight. So here, try to push and get your extra hand up, okay, and then try to just bend your knee hand inside. From the right hand, you're going to take all the way back and place it out as if you're trying to reach the palm. Again, it is not about reaching the palm, it is not about feeling the extreme stretch, it's about getting into the right posture based on your body capacity. So now once you're here, try to lift your hand up and lift your chin up. And you're going to close your eyes, you're going to stay here for some time with a long breathe in and long breathe out. And slowly lift your hand up and drop it down and release. If at all you think you are not able to touch your hand, both the hand, which is supposed to be like this, which is fine. If you're here is also fine. Just like try to do it regularly so that the stretch and the flexibility becomes more, and then one day easily you can touch your hand. So what do you do after this? You're going to release your leg one by one, and you're going to try the same thing the other side. You're going to bend your left leg first, adjust your posture. Your heel should be just below your hip, and then you're going to place the other leg on top. And you adjust the posture accordingly where you are able to sit for at least 30 to 40 seconds. So the adjustment is all about for you to stay in the posture for slightly longer than the normal duration. So now, as I mentioned before, my right leg is in the front, so I'm going to take my right hand all the way up, inhale, and bend it back. You can already you can feel a good stretch in your tricep, in your shoulder. From the another hand, you're going to take it all the way back and try to hold. Lift your chin up, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. and slowly release, and release you both the legs and keep it straight, and sit here for some time so that your muscles will get relaxed because of the locking whatever you had in your asana practice. I hope it was all clear about Gomukhasana. If you have any doubts, please drop a comment box. I will definitely try to answer them, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.